People think you need to be from an IIT or top engineering college to become a data analyst in a big MNC. But I'm not from any of those. I come from a very small town in Odisha, and my journey is anything but straight. I failed, I struggled, I restarted multiple times. I worked in a BPO, I battled anxiety disorder, I even got rejected. I even had to change my career completely. But still, today I work as a data analyst in UST, and my client is Toyota. I come from a small town in Odisha. Most middle class families, I had just one dream: to get a stable job and support my parents. I wasn't a topper. I was an average student. Nothing in my academics said I would ever work in data. After BTech, I went to Bangalore to study Java. But life had different plans. Because of my anxiety disorder, which is a real mental health condition, I could not continue. I came back home, leaving behind everything I dreamt of. Then I joined Tech Mahindra as a BPO employee. 3 months later, dengue happened, and again I had to leave. At that point, I genuinely felt like I was going nowhere. But then, something unexpected happened. I joined Pomex as a graduate engineer trainee, and that job changed everything completely. There, I started using Excel every day, creating reports, working with numbers, and something clicked. I realized I actually enjoyed analyzing data. So I started learning Excel, then Power BI, then Python, then SQL. Piece by piece, the path started making sense. Slowly, my skills improved. My confidence came back. I built small dashboards, small projects, and one particular day, I got my big break. I got the opportunity to work as a data analyst at UST. Today, I work with the Toyota team based in Dallas. I handle financial data, analyze business performance, and create dashboards. And honestly, sometimes it still feels surreal. Well, I'm sharing this story because many of you are exactly where I was a few years ago. Confused, stressed, feeling late, feeling like everyone else is ahead of you. But trust me, if I can do it, genuinely anyone can. This channel is not about motivation. It's about reality. Real story, real skills, real guidance. So if you want honest content about becoming a data analyst, please subscribe. I promise we will grow together.